Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps and today I'm going down to the King George's playing fields for a special video because I'm meeting a fellow content creator, drone flyer, videographer, photographer called Tony. Now the special thing about Tony is, sorry, I've got to be careful walking past and crossing this road, but the special thing about Tony is he owns FPV drones. FPV drones fairly new on the industry, like the crazy racing drones with cameras on and stuff, get these incredible moving shots. You'll see some of them later. He owns, I think, more than one of them, and he's going to go and practice fly them. Oh, hello dog. Cute little one. He's going to go and test fly them down at the fields. I'm tagging along because I guess it's a test run for doing future shoots together. Further down the line. Yep, I said hello. Future shoots down the line with him, so yeah, should be cool. My first taste of FPV drones, and I thought I'd just vlog it because it's my first taste of FPV drones, just seeing what it's like, seeing somebody fly them, and I might play some football and stuff, technically modelling for his video if he wants to fly around me or whatever. So yeah, I got the ball here, should be fun. Will be nice footage. An FPV drone with the sun though, it is lovely. So I'm here with Tony, he's flying his FPV drones. I don't know if you want to be in it. Don't mind?
That's fine, yeah.
Okay. He also has a drone business. I'll link his Instagram down below, and if anybody needs a drone pilot in the near future, then contact him, because this is pretty sick basically. Do you know the model of the drone or something, or is it self-built?
I fly now still. It's not self-built, but you can build it. I decided not to because I was a bit lazy.
I love how you're filming me, filming you. Basically, first impressions of FPV drones is I want one. That's all I can say. Yeah. I mean, I tried doing it on the simulator over a year ago and got pretty good at it after a while, but that was using an Xbox controller, so probably not the same thing. But at least I've tried doing it and I know what it will be like, kind of. So yeah, it's something I'd want to get into in the future. We did some shots a minute ago where I was kicking the football and Tony was chasing it with the drone, and from what I've seen on his phone, they look pretty cool. So the light is just about going, all the batteries are used up, so Tony's calling it a day with the FPV drone. I've got some pretty cool photos of him flying it and of the drone, so I'll get those edited, maybe put them in the video as well, just to show you what I've done. Well, thanks for coming and showing me this.
Yeah, no worries. Do you think you want to get into it?
Definitely. It's just a matter of getting the money to buy a drone and buying it and practicing on the simulator. So I don't know when I'll have that money free to buy a drone. Don't know how much practice I'd need to fly it, but yeah, I do want to get into it. So guys, I'm kind of in the shadows. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed watching me go and meet Tony and basically watch him do FPV, shoot some photos of him, then have a go myself. I don't know if a bit of me having a go myself is in the video, but if it was, hope you enjoyed it. Just mad seeing FPV. It's so cool. So envious of anybody who's already doing FPV in the industry, because I feel like it's going to be a little while before I get into it, but it's something I really want to do as soon as possible. Just need to get that money and just start doing it, I guess. Got a lot of work coming up over the next few months, so trying to build my own and brand my own business of making videos for clients doing this kind of work, so we'll see when I get around to doing it, but it's something I really want to do. And just seeing it firsthand as well for the first time was really cool. Tried to simulator out myself, but that's not the same as seeing it in real life, is it? And hopefully the footage in this video, which we got, looks incredible as well, and you enjoyed it. If you did, smash a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video in future. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, hasta luego.